In this guide, I will show you how to cancel Avast subscription. So if you want to cancel subscription, the first log in your account, click on sign in with your information. For example, this is my email. I want to sign in with my email account. This is the first step you need to do. After that, when you log in your account, as I say, this is the first step you need to do. Look for login manage your subscription. Click on manage your subscription here. Click on manage your subscription. After click managing your subscription, you will see your subscription details, such this option. Click manage, click end subscription, guys. For example, click end subscription. You see this option here. You see end subscription here, just like this, and then click end subscription. After that, guys, click confirm this option. Click on confirm and finish. And then, guys, if you don't get a refund, all you have to do is scroll down. You see the support team. Just scroll down, go to this support team, and then you will ask him about a refund, and then you will get your refund through the support team. So guys, from here I go to my account setting, and then scroll down, click on not about, go to support team. From the support, you can get your refund. Ask support about the refund request, and then when you click refund request, complete this all and subscription, click on refund, and then complete these steps. Thanks for watching, guys.